Hi everyone, and you are welcome to the course overview lecture. In this lecture, I want to talk about course organization, the resources that could be available after some lectures, the course structure, and also I want to talk about some useful tips that could improve your learning experience during the course. First, let's start talking about course organization. Mainly, there are two types of lectures in this course. We have theoretical lectures, in which I will define some important concepts that you have to grasp well before you proceed in the course. The second type of the lecture are practical lectures. In this type of lectures, there will be a code session in which code examples will be explained in order to understand the ideas well. Also, in this course, there are multiple milestone projects in which you will practice what you have learned in real and comprehensive projects. In order to make sure that you are able to discriminate between theoretical lectures and practical lectures from the beginning, I add this symbol at the first slide of each practical lecture. Now let's talk about lecture resources. To make sure that you will get a smooth learning experience, after each practical lecture, you will find the source code file of the examples that have been discussed in the lecture. Also, you will find some code challenges to practice what you have learned and make sure that you understand well what it has been explained. Once you solve the code challenges, you can compare your solution with the one available in the code solutions source code file, so you can know if your solution is correct or not directly. Finally, after some lectures, you will find an appendix summarizing some lecture aspects. For example, the functions that have been discussed in the code session inside this lecture. Now let's talk about course structure. In this course, I assume that you have no programming knowledge before. Therefore, the first module, Introduction to Programming, will give you a brief introduction to programming in general. The next module, Introduction to Python, will show you how to get Python installed and how to get PyCharm IDE installed in your computer, whether you use Windows, Mac, or Linux OS. Also, you will learn how to run your first program in Python. Next, basics of Python syntax will be covered. After that, I will start to talk about data structures in Python. Therefore, we will learn about numbers and collections. Once we understand all of these concepts, we will start to talk about flow control. Therefore, we will learn about conditional statements and iterations and loops. After these 7 modules, the advanced part of the course will start, in which you will learn how to create your own functions. You will learn about advanced concepts like comprehensions and generators and exceptions handling. Also, you will see how to deal with files and folders using Python programming language. You will learn about Pickle module and how you can save and load data inside hard disk. Then we will talk about date and time and how we can use datetime in our programs. And the last module would be about modules and packages in Python, in which we will learn how we can divide our projects into files and folders and how we can structure a real project in Python programming language. Now let me share with you some useful tips that could improve your learning experience during this course. First of all, don't forget to use the gear setting, in which you can speed up or slow down the video player according to what you like. Also, you can use Udemy application in order to download the lectures in your mobile phone, and you can attend the lecture anytime you would like offline. Finally, if you have any question, please search this question in Google.